Zendaya looked fabulous in a white suit and sneakers for the Spider-Man: No Way Home premiere after party in LA on December 14th. Zendaya, 25, has been on a roll lately when it comes to her promo outfits for Spider-Man: No Way Home, and her latest look may just be one of our favorites. The actress attended the after-party for the LA premiere on December 14th when she opted to wear a crisp white power suit with white sneakers. She kept the same tight braids that she wore at the actual premiere, but went with something a bit more covered up. Earlier that night, she looked drop-dead gorgeous on the red carpet when she wore a nude Valentino Haute Couture gown covered in black sequin spider webs. The dress had a plunging V-neckline that revealed ample cleavage, while the side of the skirt featured a hip-high slit that put her toned legs on full display. Related gallery. Zendaya's Spider-Man press outfits, see photos. Zendaya accessorized her look with a black lace and feather face mask, black, crystal-embellished Christian Louboutin Cape pumps, and Bulgari jewels. Long and tight braids, a glossy nude lip, and a sultry smoky eye tied her look together. Since promoting the film, Zendaya's outfits just keep on getting better, and one of our favorites was her outfit on the Jimmy Kimmel Show. She threw on a gold chainmail Balmain Spring 2022 top with a pair of baggy white cargo pants, Bulgari diamond-stud earrings, and a pair of Christian Louboutin Cape pumps in her Aurora Boreal. Another one of our favorite looks was her outfit at Good Morning America Studios in New York City on December 10th when she wore this neon pink Alexander McQueen Spring 2022 suit featuring a double-breasted blazer and straight-leg trousers, which she accessorized with black pumps and massive silver hoops.